Welcome to Kagenti, the cloud-native agent platform. This powerful platform allows you to manage, deploy, and observe your AI agents and tools with ease. Let's see how to sign in to access the full functionality. To access the full features of Kagenti, we need to sign in. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner. This takes us to the Keycloak authentication page. Here we enter our credentials, username, admin, and password admin. Then click Sign In to complete the login process. Welcome to the Kagenti dashboard. As you can see, the platform provides a complete overview of your AI agents and tools deployment status. The dashboard displays key metrics including total agents, ready agents, tools, and namespaces. The agent catalog lets you manage AI agents deployed on Kubernetes. Kagenti supports any framework including LangGraph, CrewAI, and AutoGen through the A2A protocol. You can import agents directly from source repositories. The tool catalog manages MCP tools that extend your agent's capabilities. These Model Context Protocol tools can be imported from source and made available to your agents through the unified gateway. The MCP gateway provides a unified entry point for all deployed tools. It handles tool discovery, routing, and protocol translation. You can monitor gateway status, metrics, and use the MCP inspector for testing. The observability dashboard provides access to monitoring tools. Phoenix offers tracing and performance analysis for LLM calls and token usage. Kiali visualizes network traffic and service mesh health with Istio. Finally, the administration section manages identity and access with Keycloak. Here you can view session details, authentication configuration, user roles, and access the Keycloak console for full identity management. From the Kagenti dashboard, we can see there are currently no agents deployed. The platform shows 0 total agents and 0 ready agents. Let's import a new agent to get started. Click Import New Agent to open the configuration form. Here we can build agents from source code or deploy existing container images. The form is pre-configured with the Kagenti examples repository. Kagenti provides several example agents. From the drop-down, we'll select the currency converter agent. Notice how the form automatically fills in the agent name and source path. This agent requires an OpenAI API key. Expand the environment variables section, click Add Variable, and enter the key name and value. Environment variables are securely passed to the agent at runtime. Click Build and Deploy Agent to start the build process. Kagenti uses Shipwrite to build container images from source. The build page shows progress, source configuration, and agent settings. Once the build completes, the agent is deployed and ready. The Details tab shows agent information, replica's status, and the internal endpoint URL. The agent is now running in the Kubernetes cluster. Now let's test the agent. Click the Chat tab to open the chat interface. Type a question about currency exchange rates and click Send. The agent processes our request and returns the current exchange rate. The agent is working and responding to our queries. From the sidebar, click on Agents to open the agent catalog. Here we can see our existing agents. Now let's deploy a custom image agent with MLflow support. Click Import Agent to open the configuration form. Select Deploy from Existing Image as the deployment method. This allows us to deploy a pre-built container image instead of building from source. Enter the agent name, we'll call it My MLflow Agent. The namespace is already set to Team 1. Enter the container image path. We're using localhost/simple MLflow agent, which is preloaded in the cluster. The tag defaults to latest. Expand environment variables and add the required configuration. We add port and host for the agent binding, plus MLflow tracking URI and MLflow experiment name for metrics integration. This configures the agent to send metrics to MLflow. Expand pod configuration to set up the service ports. Configure the HTTP port mapping 8000 to target 8080 and add a second port, HTTP alt, with 8080 to 8080. This ensures Kagenti can communicate with the agent. With all configuration complete, scroll down and click Deploy Agent. The platform creates the Kubernetes deployment with our custom image and configuration. The agent is being created with MLflow integration. In the agent catalog, we can see MyMLflow agent is now ready. Click on it to view the details. The agent shows one-of-one replicas running, with the configured ports and endpoint URL ready for use. Let's test the agent. Click on the Chat tab, type hello, and click Send. The agent responds with our message, the request count, and confirms MLflow integration is active. Our custom image agent with MLflow metrics tracking is now deployed and working. Our MLflow integrated agent is running. Let's send a message to generate metrics. The response shows request number 3, meaning previous requests have been tracked in MLflow. Now let's explore those metrics in the MLflow UI. Welcome to MLflow. On the left, we see our experiments. Notice my custom agent. This is the experiment configured in our agent's environment variables. Click on My Custom Agent Experiment. Here we see 3 logged runs, each representing a request to our agent. The runs show timestamps and durations from agent.py source. Click on a run to see details. This shows all tracked metrics: latency seconds for response time, success indicator, request count, success rate, and average latency. Parameters include task type and message length. The Model Metrics tab provides visual charts for all tracked metrics. We can see latency, success rate, request count, and average latency displayed as interactive graphs for monitoring agent performance over time. MLflow also supports artifacts for storing model files, datasets, and outputs. The Models Registry enables versioning and managing trained models for production deployment. Agents can log model artifacts and register them for streamlined ML operations. Welcome back to the Kagenti dashboard. We now have 2 agents running and ready across 2 namespaces. This demonstrates the complete workflow from deployment to observability. In the agent catalog, we see both deployed agents, the currency converter using OpenAI, and our MLflow integrated agent. Both are running and ready to serve requests. Our MLflow agent shows one-of-one replicas ready with configured ports. Every request to this agent is tracked in MLflow with latency, success rate, and request count metrics. Kagenti with MLflow provides a complete solution for deploying and monitoring AI agents. From easy deployment to real-time metrics tracking, you have full visibility into your agent operations. Thank you for watching this demo series.